people, how are you doing? Welcome back to my stream. So today you're going to spend my Sunday with me. It's Sunday over here, so I'm in the mall. It's more of spend a Sunday with me in the mall, something like that. And people are so many, and I'm meeting Miss Katie. Yay! So guys, come along. So guys, I'm in the mall already. I'm looking for Miss Katie. People are so congested. On Sunday, seems like everyone thinks of going to the mall and stuff. So it's so congested. I think I'll just show you a bit. Of it. People are in the Christmas mood, shopping everywhere. So guys, I've met with the beautiful Miss Katie.
Hi guys, long time bana.
Long time. So guys, I'm taking her to the VR. She's going to experience the VR. And if you want to see how she's reacting or how she reacted, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Yes,
I'll leave the link.
Please
do.
Let's do this.
Yes, let's do this.
Ona sina kuchamocha.
Ilipotelea wapi?
Kwa gari job hata nikagonga hivi alafu ikapotea.
Pole. So guys, let me take her. Make sure you subscribe to her channel so that you can see how she's screaming. I'm sure
I won't scream.
Oh. Guys, let me show you my OOTD.
Hiyo gari iko nyuma ni yako?
Hii gari ni yangu guys. My boyfriend just surprised me. So, guys, you should look for men like mine who can buy you a kind surprise inside the mall. Ulisikia wapi? So please, let's go to ShopRite. Look at this beautiful place. Tunafaa kupiga picha, sio? We'll take photos. Look at Christmas season, Christmas.
Them zucchini.
Then there's zucchini and cafe.
I don't.
Nino?
I want to try zucchini.
We haven't filmed in ShopRite because they are refusing.
Yeah,
they are saying it's illegal.
Not even photos, really.
Even photos they don't want to, but we've noted something.
How do we expect to have customers if you don't allow
It's like, yes, and it's like part of marketing.
Exactly.
By the way, and their shelves are becoming empty. I don't know why.
If you have an idea of what is going on,
tell us. Yes,
ShopRite Garden City, tell us.
Yes, tell us what's going on. Guys, we are going to game. And let me tell you one thing, guys. People are coming here with their boyfriends. Those women who are saying men are a scam, relationships are a scam. Who are you? And I can see who are you, because I can see everyone in the mall with a boyfriend, with a girlfriend.
Holding hands, we are single. Hey, by the way, I'm looking for a boyfriend.
She's searching. Make sure you go check out her channel. Subscribe first before you start talking about relationships. Hey. Yeah, you subscribe first and then now you can shoot your shots. So guys, like those who are saying relationships are a scam, people are in relationship, people are in love. You are the only one who is single.
Speak for yourself.
Yeah, so let's go to game and check out what it is. I hope they won't say no to us vlogging.
But I also think they will.
So guys, unfortunately they said no to filming again in game, but there are very amazing offers. If you want to shop, I'd prefer you come to game instead of the other one. So people are loving each other. It's only you who is single, and me, and Miss Katie too. So guys, like there are so many amazing offers inside there, so you can go check. You can come check it out.
The lighting is so bad.
You can come. As I was saying, if you want to shop in Garden City, I'd rather you go to game because they have amazing offers. So we are so hungry. We are going to eat as we shoot another video for you. Guys, we're really pushing each other for you guys to make sure that
subscribe.
Yes,
please.
we should subscribe. Like, don't just come watch.
The fact that we come to malls and we aren't allowed to vlog.
Yes.
But we still find something to bring to you guys.
Yes.
You should consider subscribing.
Yes, and the way we push each other, we make sure that we have content every time. Make sure you subscribe. Okay, guys. So, guys, we are having a biting. Wait, guys, I know you're like, you girls, you are junking a lot. This is the last meal for me. By the
guys, for me, I'm starting clothing. By the I'm serious, stop laughing. I'm starting clothing challenge tomorrow for 14 days. So after that, I'll show you guys. I have started this thing for like a million times. Na siku ya pili mimi nakula nasema mwili ni yangu. Until unaenda kununua nguo inakata kukutoshea na everyone else anavaa hiyo nguo to a certain occasion. So I'm doing this.
Mimi, as for me, people are telling me I've added weight. My friend Karombacho told me today I've really added weight. I should do something. I know you'll watch. So, but by the way, many people are telling me I've added weight and it's so terrible because I'm already big.
You remember the last time we met? Tulikula nini?
Biryani.
Hatujai kula kitu healthy. Jui? Maybe they do know nunua mandazi.
At least there's water.
You know, there's a nunua mandazi. Like the whole day nitakula mandazi. I won't anything else. That's one health.
So guys, this is my last time eating this junk. I should really take care of my health. I feel so. And it's December, but I have to sacrifice. So later, guys, let me munch more. Guys, you can see the washroom is deep. There's lots of space and it's very clean. As you can see, there's a lot of space, sitting area where you can come and there's a lot of sitting area where you can come buy food from Creamy Inn, Pizza Inn, Chicken Inn. There's so many restaurants upstairs. I'm saying this because not everyone knows this. Not everyone has ever been here. So if you want to have fun and you're looking for a place to go on Sundays or on a weekend, choose always Garden City because there's a lot of sitting space. There's so many restaurants there's so many places to shop. Yeah, guys, so I think this will be the end of my vlog. Thank you for watching. I love you guys, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye.